How to cancel Adobe subscription without paying any fee. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the help center of Adobe and this is how it will appear. Now on the right hand side bottom, you would be able to find this message bubble. Simply click on it. And over here you would be assigned a virtual assistant. Simply type this particular message to the virtual assistant that you are not able to pay the subscription fee and also you cannot pay the cancelling fee as well because your financial condition is poor and you are going through something really a bad situation in your life and you don't have any money to pay. And after convincing that particular virtual assistant then that you are in serious trouble, then that person would be able to cancel up the subscription for you without charging any fee. And also if the person is generous enough and you get lucky, you would also be given some free subscription by that particular person. But you need to make sure that you keep trying it, but because sometimes the virtual assistant might not cooperate with you in the very first time, so you need to try it again as the person behind that particular virtual assistant keeps on changing, and that's why you should be able to get the help, and this is the only way to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.